Say chicken. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Is the baby sleepy? Is her sleepy? Pup-Muff, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? It doesn't do it right. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? It's sleepy time. Good girl, but I didn't get you curling your tongue. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Get mad at Mommy. Are you sleepy? Oh, you're gonna wave. I'm gonna wave. Are you gonna wave? You gonna wave? You gonna speak? You gonna wave? Fix your hair. Fix your hair. It's a mess. Fix your hair. It's a mess. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Go sit up. Go lay down. You gonna roll over? You gonna roll over? Oh, you ain't gonna do it on that chair, are you? Okay. High five. High five. High five. Give me a paw. Give me the other paw. Give me the other paw. Give me the other paw. Speak. Now watch. Mommy's got good chicken. Okay. Leave it. You leave it. Leave it. You leave it. That's your favorite treat, isn't it? It's really tempting you, isn't it? There you go. Good girl.